Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well. I have a, how big is this? 14-inch piece that I bought at Hobby Lobby. I guess it's a tray, or it could be like it has a thing to hang on the wall. So I guess it's meant to hang just with this design. And I thought this would be really cool with a sink strainer pour in it and no tilting. You know, just let it lay flat. It's some kind of a board, so I'm not worried about warping or anything because it is attached to a frame and all that. And I have paints that have been sitting for probably a week or so. So they're kind of thickened up, and I thought that would make a great time to do a sink strainer pour. So I'm going to lay this sink strainer right in the middle and pour with the existing colors that I already have, which are metallic gold, copper, I have a dark crimson red, a lighter red, a full cup of that, a prism violet, a magenta hot pink color, a purple, and a primary blue. I see a hair that I dropped in there. And I always have black and white in bottles, so I've got those, and I'm probably going to use some of that too. I thought this would just be interesting to see how it turned out, so let's get busy. Everything is mixed 1-to-1 with Floetrol. It does have OGX in it, but it's been sitting for a week or two, so I'm not sure what it's going to do. I'm just going to start with the black paint in my sink strainer. And you also want to make sure that you pour it in the same order every time. I like to repeat anyway. And if I get color on the inside, I'm going to paint the inside of it black anyway, I do believe. So it didn't stay in its circular pattern, and that's okay, because it's going to fill up on its own anyway as it settles. And this is going to be pretty thick, and that's okay. Turn that one light off so it's not reflecting. And then I like to still, I'm not going to really tilt because I don't want to bring the paint up to the inside edges, but I am going to just, you know, play with the design a little bit. So I'm just curious, like I'm not crazy about the hot pink, Okay, I think I am done. So if you don't like the design, if one color is overpowering other colors, just continue to play with it until you get something that's desired from your, what you want to get out of it. If you want, I wanted less hot pink, so I just keep dragging through it with the other colors, and that brings purple and gold into it, and the copper sometimes. It just takes less of the, makes the hot pink go away a little bit. So you just keep dragging kind of in and out to make pretty shapes, and you can kind of create whatever you want to. I only have one little splash up on this side right here, and if I can get that, I won't even have to paint the edge black, but I think I want the edge black anyway. So I think I'm going to end up leaving that as is. But overall, I'm pleased with it. It's not like my favorite color combination or anything like that, but I kind of like the way it looks. And it will be pretty, totally finished with the gloss and used as a tray or to hang or whatever. So I'm going to try to pick it up without getting paint on the edges so that you can see. I'm trying to keep it flat. And you can also take dots and drag your skewer through it and make little heart shapes and things like that. So just keep that in mind when you've got shapes that you want to change slightly. So I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you're a subscriber, click on the bell on the bottom right and you'll get notifications when I post new videos. Check out the links below the video where it says show more on your computer or the down arrow on your mobile device, and you will see all kinds of links like Amazon, PayPal for donations, my Facebook group, which I would love for you to come over and join us there, and you could share your beautiful pictures with me, and my new online tutorial that I've had going now for several months, and I've got about 10 classes in that on learning how to paint with acrylics traditionally with a paintbrush. I've got at least 10 classes in there. They're just $35, and I provide you a materials list. You just go purchase your paints, your canvases, and then you paint in the comfort of your home like you would be taking a class, and you can watch it as many times as you want. You have lifetime access to that class. You can invite a friend or two over and paint with them, so you can have a great time either way. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you on the next video. I love you all. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye-bye.